Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start now, power down, pull the case and any protector, and clean the screen with a microfiber cloth dampened with 70% isopropyl. This removes oils and static that trigger phantom taps. Once done, reboot into safe mode to isolate third-party apps. If ghost touches stop, an app is the culprit. You want evidence, not guesses, so test by tapping around the screen methodically while in safe mode and note which areas misbehave. With safe mode results, inspect the digitizer carefully. Pressure points, lifted adhesive, or tiny cracks can cause errant input. Next, run the phone's display diagnostics or factory test pattern to map persistent ghost zones. This shows hardware versus software faults. If software appears at fault, uninstall recent apps, clear the cache partition, and install system updates. These steps refresh drivers and can remove corrupted touch calibrations. If hardware, note exact spots for repair. If diagnostics point to hardware, replace the screen assembly or carefully reseat the digitizer adhesive using ESD-safe tools and a quality replacement. This restores consistent touch response. Once you finish hardware work, boot and test with the same diagnostic patterns. If software remains suspect, do a full backup and factory reset. This clears persistent firmware-level errors but won't fix physical damage. If issues persist, contact authorized.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.